front of me is the KAPPLER Zytron 500. We've pressure tested this garment to make sure it is gas tight. Before we begin the glove replacement, we also want to be working on a clean flat surface. I'll begin by turning my right sleeve inside out to access the glove. We do recommend only working on one side at a time so you do not put the wrong glove on the wrong sleeve. Reach your hand into the glove, make a fist, and begin working the sleeve inside out. Once the sleeve's inside out, you're ready to remove the glove gauntlet. Let's take a closer look. Again, we're on our right sleeve and right glove. We're going to remove the glove gauntlet that's folded back. Once we remove that, you can tuck it in so it's out of your work way. And we'll remove the top rubber band. You need to inspect the rubber bands to make sure they're pliable, they don't have any damage on them, no cuts and no tears. If you do need more rubber bands, contact KAPPLER customer service. After that, we're going to remove the hose clamp. We recommend using a 5/16 bit driver instead of a screwdriver so you don't have any opportunity to damage your suit. Once we remove that, we'll save it as well as the leather protector. This goes underneath to protect both rubber bands from the hose clamp. My second rubber band, again inspecting that it works properly. Now I'm ready to remove my glove and ring. Grabbing the material and the glove gauntlet, I'm going to pull out until the two separate. Once I do, I need to retain the PVC ring from within my glove. I'm now ready to move on to the replacement portion. In front of me are all the tools and components you'll need to replace your glove. A pair of safety scissors, a permanent marker, a 5/16 bit driver, 2 rubber bands, the leather protector, the PVC ring that we removed from the old glove, and the hose clamp. Here are my replacement gloves from KAPPLER. This is the 2-in-1 glove. I'm going to confirm I'm putting the right-handed glove on the right arm. Next, I'm going to use my Sharpie marker. I'll fold the hand back over the glove and draw a line in line with the middle finger. I'll then line this line up with my sleeve seam. To insert the PVC ring in your glove, be sure you insert it into the inner glove of the 2-in-1 glove system. Insert the ring approximately this far, reach over the bottom, under the top, and pull back. The end result should be perpendicular with the edge of the glove. Your glove ring should be approximately 3.5 to 4 inches above the bottom of the glove. A good rule of thumb is to always put it above the manufacturer's logo on the glove. I'm now ready to insert the glove into my garment sleeve. To do so, I recommend folding it like this. As you can see, I've worked the glove around to line up the sleeve seam with the mark I made on the glove gauntlet. Now I'm going to gently work the glove back out until the ring of the glove is even with the edge of the sleeve. Once again, I confirmed everything is lined up. My next step is to add the first rubber band. Before doing so, I recommend tucking any excess glove material inside the sleeve for a clean work area. After applying the first rubber band, check to make sure it's seated evenly and there are no folds or wrinkles. I'm now ready to add the hose clamp. We recommend offsetting the hose clamp from the seam of the sleeve. When you add the leather protector, be sure the tail end goes under the adjustable part of the hose clamp and the flap hangs out towards the sleeve end. Visually inspect to make sure the ring is seated evenly before you tighten it down. My second rubber band is going to hold this back over itself. Afterwards, I'll inspect to make sure there are no tears or folds in the second rubber band. Carefully work them out. You're now ready to fold the glove gauntlet back over. Once you fold the outer gauntlet over, you'll see the excess of the inner film barrier glove. We recommend using safety scissors to carefully trim this out. You're now ready to turn your sleeve right side out. Reach into the sleeve and grab the base of the glove. Slowly work the fabric right side out. If you encounter resistance, push the sleeve back inside out and start over. This is a completed glove installation. My last check, I'm going to fold the glove back and confirm that my middle finger is lined up with the seam of my outer sleeve. You're now ready to replace the left glove. After doing so, you should pressure test your garment.